Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to equip multiple accessories on Roblox. Firstly, launch the Roblox app on your phone or tablet, and once logged in, tap on your avatar icon or go to the avatar editor. Now inside there, tap the accessories category. Here you'll find different accessory types such as hats, hair, face or accessories. Just now comes the fun part. Roblox lets you equip up to 10 accessories at once, allowing you to mix and match however you like. Simply tap on each accessory you want to wear. This ones you select will appear on your avatar in real time. Just a tip, if you're layering multiple items, just adjust your selection carefully to make sure they look right together. Once you're happy with your combination, hit save to lock in your avatar's new outfit. Your changes will sync automatically across the devices, so your character will look the same whether you're playing on mobile, PC or console. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.